Welcome to Paris Fans TV. I have Ulam Tutu with me. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Petit Kosi, when again came and I'm saying.
Hey, today's game, like I don't have much to say, but I'm here to support Mamelodi Sundowns. So, like, I'm very much I mean Richard Bay. Like, I'm very much disappointed today. Like, I'm not support Richard Bay just because Orlando Pirates. I don't like Orlando Pirates with all my heart. Like, I'm very much disappointed now. I don't know what to say to my doctor here. I forced my doctor and my wife to support Kaizer Chiefs. So now, like, I don't know where to sleep today. So, like, anyway, I would like to say congratulations to Orlando Pirates. But as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, like, I'm very much disappointed today.
All right, Kosi. And then still ube neutral gangani.
Okay.
According to your honest views and opinions, who do you think will take the league this season? Like, you hate this one and hate this one. According to the display, the football that you watching.
Okay, actually, legally one, ya Orlando Pirates. Legally one, ya Orlando Pirates, just because according like to the way Mamelodi Sundowns itlanga ku yona ne. Ani voni ku ri nga kota ku teka league. Like loko nangusini game ya namuntlha. Swula ku Orlando Pirates a fanele yi win 3-0. Ku na penalty liyani va nga yi refangiki ya behind. A va yi refang. Then leyi wona va nga ta va ta yi refa leyiwani yo hetisela. Swi vula ku ri a ku fanele ku ve goal ya 3. Se swi vula mara hi ku ya tlanga lera Orlando Pirates swi vula ku ri na rona ra need ku cinca just because ne ku na ti-players to fana vo Mofokeng. A va swi koti ku tlanga ti-players according to today's game ne. Police he failed to pass ti-players ta yena just because a famba a fika mahlweni a tlha jika a phasa ndzhaku swi vula ku yena costini ngopfu team namuntlha.
Man of the match.
Man of the match, the player that deserve man of the match today, like
There was a Mbata. There was a police.
Not a police. A police like he didn't play very well.
Dion Otto.
Not Dion Otto. Like actually, I didn't see the player of the match. Yeah, the player who's played better today is Tito Maswanganyi, but it seems like there is a problem with your coach.
Yeah.
You see, Tito Maswanganyi, he didn't deserve to be out today. Yeah, but the coach who ended up Martito, he was the best. Yeah.
Can you rate the referee today?
Actually, referee, he Robini Orlando Pirates namuhla. I'm Kaizer Chiefs fan, but referee I reckon Robin Schneen just because la ku ri na favorism loko mina ku tisi the ref and the linesman a va yi fail. Ni voni ti-hands ball to fika 2-3 kambe vona va ti refanga. Yeah. Swi vula ku referee a yi nga refi kahle namuhla.
No, thanks, Kosi. Bopa.